interior angles, and then we have alternate exterior angles, and we looked at those. And then, of course, you have the pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, and that we said is, of course, 3 and 6 and 4 and 5, as you can see there. It says we can say that the line is parallel if we can verify at least one of the aforementioned conditions. So if we can verify at least one out of these 5, we know that the lines are parallel. So let's look at the first example, because that's where we're going. For some reason, this thing is giving problems. All right, let's look at example 1, guys. Example 1. It says example 1 says or reads. Sorry about that. For some reason, I have to literally use the cursor to scroll down, which is not good. This takes a lot longer than it should. Anyways, let's look at example 1, as I said. Do I need to make it bigger, guys? You tell me if I need to make it. Is that better? It says,
Yes, sir.
all right, if the lines M and N are parallel to each other, then determine the angles F and angle 5 and angle 7. So we want angle 5 and we want angle 7. So it says solution, determine one pair can make it possible to find all the other angles. The following is one of the many ways to solve this question. All right, so angle 2 is given to be 125. So we're just looking back the diagram. So angle 2 is 125. So it says angle 2 equals angle 4, since they are vertically opposite, and we can see that here 2 and 4 are vertically opposite. Therefore, angle 4 is 125 degrees. Okay, angle 4 is one of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so it says therefore angle 4 plus angle 5 equals 180, which is very true. Notice it is an interior angle on parallel lines. So if 4 is 125, 4 plus 5 should give me 180, which is very, very true. So it says, so 125 plus angle 5 equals 180. Implies, that little arrow means implies, angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 125, which is equal to 55. And remember, this is interior angles on parallel lines. Then it says angle 5 is equal to angle 7, since they are vertically opposite, which is true. So therefore, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, which is equal to 55 degrees. Then it says, sometimes the parallel property of the lines may not be mentioned in the problem statement, and the lines may seem to be parallel to each other, but they may not be. They may not be. It is important to determine whether the two lines are parallel by verifying the angle and not by look. Very, very important. Most people take everything for granted by look. Oh, it looked parallel, so I'm going to calculate it as if they were parallel. And in reality, that does not work. That is not proper way of doing that.